good morning to you all. Welcome back to your own investment and trading desk Stake Planner. Before starting for the new market outlook video, let's quickly recap what happened in last week and what we informed about the market. As per the given levels, 16,400 and 16,880 as the upside, market has broken 16,400 by gap up opening, and after gap up opening, market has almost sustained above the 16,400, and for the whole week market has not broken 16,400. For the whole week market moved only in 300 points of range, which is 16,700 to 16,400. As we informed you about the upside resistance, it's 16,880. Market has given some kind of hope to break on 16,880, but what happened on Friday, that was horrible. Market drops around 200 points from the highs as market opened gap up of 130 points and closed down in minus 40 to 50 points. This is what happened in Nifty, but we also told you to trade the sectors, to trade the stock specific movement. In that we told you about to trade on bullish side in IT and metals. So as you all saw in last week how IT moved and how metals created upside momentum and upside sentiment for the market. As on the downside, we told you clearly to go short on the pharma sector, so you all know that where pharma landed, and we also informed you about the stock specific movement in the given stock in like Reliance, HDFC Twins, Bajaj Twins, Maruti, Tech Mahindra, Tata Steel, all we told you in prior. So you all know that how the heavyweight, how the elephant moved in last week, as Reliance itself moved 8 to 9%. Maruti shown upside momentum and then again fallen down. Tech Mahindra also shown the very good up movement. Tata Steel also shown the good movement on the upside. Maruti also shown the good movement on the upside, but it has cracked on Friday's session. Rest all the stocks, rest all the sector specific front, we gone right, and this was our trade in last week. As we told you to trade, we also trade in the same script. So this is all about last week. Let's quickly come to our favorite question, what's next? About the next week, let's start with Nifty. Let me tell you clearly that this week is going to be very volatile week, and we will see 200, 300 points, 100 points gap up, gap down opening, intraday upside, intraday downside movement in very fast, very impulsive. In the Nifty, on the level front, 16,600 is the key level for the Nifty in this week. On the upside, 16,880, I already told you last week. On the downside, 16,400. This is very crucial level. If Nifty breaks this level, 16,400, and close below that, then our target for 15,400 and 15,100 will come very soon. And on the upside, once Nifty cross 16,880 level, we can see all-time high, we can see new levels on the upside in the market. But our bias is on bearish side. We are looking market on the downside and we are holding shorts. But as I said that even if I am biased, market is superior. What market will tell, we will do that. So for the Nifty, upside level is 16,880, lower level is 16,400. If market breaks 16,400 on downside, then we are looking 16,160 as the first target and 15,900 as the second target. But if market breaks upside level on 16,880, then upside target is about 17,200. This is the trade, this is the level for the Nifty. Now let's see Bank Nifty's level. Bank Nifty is currently trading on very crucial support level, which is 34,250 and 300. This level is very important for Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty close below this level on 1 or 2 days, then we'll heading toward bearish side and we'll head toward 33,000 level, which is almost 1200 points of downside. But upside, if Bank Nifty breaks 34,700, then we are heading toward 36,000. So important levels for Bank Nifty is 34,700, and what I told you that Bank Nifty is currently standing on crucial support, which is 34,250 to 300 is downside level. If this breaks, then we'll see 33,000 of. This is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's quickly come to the sectoral outlook. We are still bullish on metal, we are still bullish on IT. No doubt on market trend, if market goes down, this sector will outperform, which means if market goes downside and every sector is going downside on 5 to 10%, this sector will not go down much more than 2 or 3%. But if upside movement will come, then this sector will outperform to the whole market. Like if you can trade in IT and if you can trade in metal sector, then your preferable stock should be Tata Steel and Infosys. These two stocks you should have to trade on the given level and on the price action as per your comfort. On the downside, we are bearish on Bank Nifty and we are also bearish on FMCG sector. These two sector has technically shown very weak closing on the weekly basis, as Friday's closing is very harmful for these sectors. So we are looking bearish trade on FMCG and on the banking sector. We are looking bullish trade on the IT and the metal sector. On the stock specific front, we are bearish on Reliance. We are bearish on banks, like you can short ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, but with the minimum stop loss and with the strict stop loss. These are the heavyweights. This can change the market movement. This can change the market sentiments. You can short these kind of banks and heavyweight Reliance, as Reliance is almost stretched toward 2800 of 30 levels. So one kind of retracement we can see in a 2 to 3% in the Reliance Industries. So you can short the Reliance Industries, but with the minimum stop loss and as per your risk reward. You can buy Tata Steel, you can also buy Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Hindalco, JSW Steel, which means you can go buy in these stocks like metals and IT, and you can sell banking stocks and some kind of everything. So this is all about this week market outlook. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Plan, invest, game with Stake Planner. Thank you. Stay tuned.